Wait for the glow up because the glow up gonna come.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a spring makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'll be using the Bella Forever She Believed She Could So She Did palette, which is available on my website. So be sure to shop any products that you see here. First we'll be dropping in with the brows. Starting off with the brows. We're going to take a brown eyebrow pencil. We're going to draw a line on the bottom and on the top. Then we're going to go in with our Toffee Concealer by LA Girl Pro. As we clean the bottom of the brow up with the LA Girl Toffee Concealer, we'll then move to the top. I believe this concealer is Chestnut that I'm using at the top. Sometimes I just use my foundation color. You just want to make sure that the concealer that you use at the top is the same color as your skin. Now we're going in with the JCat Beauty All About That Base eyeshadow primer. This is a beautiful primer, guys. It's also available on my website, so be sure to pick it up. The link will be down below. Now we're going in with this green shade that you see here, and we're going to put this all in my crease. We're going in with the lime green shade to blend that out. Next, we'll be going in with this dark blue shade to deepen the crease a little bit, especially that outer corner, just to give our cut crease some depth. Now we're going to go ahead on and cut the crease. I'm using the All About That Base eyeshadow primer that you seen earlier, again available on my website, so be sure to pick it up. I'm going to pat that base out and get prepared for shadow. First shadow we're going to go in is this yellow shadow, put it on the front. Next we're going to go in with this orange shadow that I'm mixing with a deeper gold shadow, a yellow shadow. We're going to put that right on the side of that yellow. Next we're going in with the pink to put next to the orange, then purple, and then I believe I'm going to go in with blue after that. The key to making these shadows blend is to just make sure that they're overlapping, okay? Next, I put my lashes on, did my foundation and everything. And basically, guys, that is the beautiful look. I hope you all enjoy. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.